Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, TheMonaZine here. Today we are going to do something a little different. I wanted to make something functional but artistic, a little piece of art that you can actually use every day. So I grabbed a wooden coaster and my acrylic paints. I decided to channel my inner Picasso to create this, a stylized, cubist inspired Queen of Hearts. Grab a cup of coffee or a tea and let me show you how I painted this. While I am sketching out the inner lines, let's talk about the style. You can see I am using sharp angle, geometrical shape and a profile view. This is heavily inspired by Cubism, an art movement made famous by Picasso in early 20th century. The cool thing about Cubism is that it rejected the idea that art should copy nature. Instead of trying to make things look real or 3D, they wanted to show different viewpoint at the same time. For my queen, I gave her a profile nose, but a front-facing eye, a classic Picasso-style. It gives the character a sense of mystery and movement, even though she is sitting still on a coaster. Now for the color, I am going with a bold primary color palette. Bright red, deep blue and sunny yellow. Did you notice how I am blocking in the colors flatly? I am not worrying too much about blending or shading right now. In this style of art, the color acts like a shape itself. The red background isn't just empty space. It is an active part of the composition that pulls the blue fight forward. If you are painting on wood like this, make sure your acrylics are a bit thick. Wood drinks up water, so a thickened paint consistency helps keeping the color vibrant without needing 10 coasters. Now let's talk about the character. The Queen of Hearts is usually seen as a villain, especially if you are thinking of Eka in Wonderland. But in a deck of cards, she actually represents love, passion and willpower. I added this floating yellow heart to balance the composition. In art, we call this the rule of odds. Visually, grouping things in odd numbers like 3 hearts is often more pleasing to the eye than even number. It keeps your eye moving around the circle. And here comes the most satisfying part, the black outline. This is where the painting really pops. In stained glass windows, these black lines are called lead lines and they separate the color to stop them from moving together. In painting, a thick black outline does the same thing. It creates high contrast. It makes the yellow look brighter and that blue look deeper. Because this is a coaster, it has to survive hot tea. So this step is not negotiable. I applied a waterproof varnish to seal the paint. And here she is finished. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.